Let's fucking film this intro, bro. Welcome to Dan's Garage, also known as GeisterCrank Garage. Let me show you guys the best and most efficient solution for your E36 and E46 transmission mounts without breaking the bank. Let's do this. Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's another BMW tip or trick. What I got today is the E36 E46 transmission mount upgrade. So these are the stock mounts. As you can see here, they've got an hourglass shape and a, I guess like M6 nut, M8, I don't know, whatever it is. But they cost about $30 a pair to replace. They do dry out. You should do them every once in a while. So instead of replacing those for $30, $35, you can opt to upgrade them to something stiffer, something softer, whatever you want, something more strong, okay? What I personally do is for 11 bucks a pair, I get E30 OE mounts, right? You'll see they have a thicker stud, way more impregnated metal. They're still the same durometer rating, so they're still an OE rubber, but they're thicker, so they transfer better power to the ground. What you got to do to install these is simply drill out your OE holes just a tad, and on your transmission, don't worry, they almost fit. I could push this in here, so you could just hand file that just the slightest bit, and these will go right on in. As I do this, I will be deleting this big weight. I'm going to hold on to it because if I get any vibrations, it will be going back. All I'd have to do is drill these holes slightly larger as well to keep the transmission. It's actually going to lower it a couple millimeters. As you can see, the thickness of this metal right here, it's going to drop the transmission down that far. So I'm actually going to get a slightly lower center of gravity as well. Now the last thing you're going to have to do to make these fit is, if you look closely, there is, and you could see my hand, my dog thought it was a snack, so there you go. Anyways, the last thing that you're going to do is to shave off this little centering nub. You could see in the OE mount, drops right in there, boom, keeps it from spinning. Guess what? We have a hand, we could keep it from spinning that way. We could just turn the top and bottom nuts at the same time. It's not gonna spin. I never had a problem with this. I always put a little anti-seize on these anyway. So, problem is, they hit that, so you grind this off. Just grind it off, done. Anyways, that is the BMW tip trick of the day. Thanks for watching. Here's the junkyard. And this is the M3 that transmission is going into. Tune in next time.